Good morning, guys. So this is actually going to be the review, and it's going to be lesson 51. So the review, and if you haven't seen the notes on it, which is the first part of this, go watch that. So the review today covers the following ideas. Nothing I see means anything. The reason this is so is that I see nothing and nothing has no meaning. It is necessary that I recognize this and I may learn to see. What I think I see now is taking the place of vision. I must let it go by realizing it has no meaning so that the vision may take its place. Number 2, I have given what I see all the meaning that it has for me. I have judged everything I look upon, and it is this and only this that I see. This is not vision, it is merely an illusion of reality because my judgments have made quite apart from reality. I am willing to recognize the lack of validity in my judgment because I want to see. My judgment has hurt me and I do not want to see according to them. And number 3, I do not understand anything I see. How could I understand what I see when I have judged it amiss? When I see the projection of my own errors of thoughts. I do not understand what I see because it is not understandable. There is no sense in trying to understand it, but there is every reason to let it go and make room for what can be seen and understood and loved. I can exchange what I see now for merely by being willing to do so. Is not this a better choice than the one I made before? Number 4, these thoughts do not mean anything. The thoughts in which I am aware do not mean anything because I am trying to think without God. What I call my thoughts are not really thoughts. My real thoughts are the thoughts I think with God. I am aware of them because I have made them my thoughts to take the place. I am willing to recognize that my thoughts do not mean anything and to let them go. I choose to have them replaced by what were intended to be replaced. My thoughts are meaningless, but all creations lie on the thoughts I think with God. Number 5, I am never upset for the reason I think. I am never upset for the reason I think because I am constantly trying to justify my thoughts. I am constantly trying to make them true. I make all things my enemies so that my anger is justified and my attack